Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first of all let's select these all of them layers and click this icon for turn on 3D layers. And let's right mouse, go to new and viewer. So we have two viewers. This is active camera and this is, let's select this viewer and let's change camera to top. So we can control with top view. Let's select this first character right. Let's see. Okay. And let's move to back a little bit. And select this character left. And move to back. Select character back left. And move to back like this. And character, let's move to like this here. And character back right. Move to back also. Okay, and character girl back. Move to back like this. So select this background glass. And also move to back here. And let's press S, change scale for see full screen. And in this time let's create new camera. Right mouse, new and camera. We can choose presets here. I will use 20 millimeters. Click OK. And let's select this camera 1. Right mouse, go to camera and create orbit null for control camera movements. And for move to anchor point center, hold control, double click pen behind icon. Clickation tool and select this null object, press P and let's zoom in like this. Okay, let's move to down like this. So in this time let's close this top view and select this left character, press S, change scale and move to left. Select this background glass, press S, change scale also like this. Character back left, press S, change scale and move to down. And character right, press S, change scale and move to down like this. Okay, and character girl, press S, change scale and move to down. Let's change scale a little bit like this and move to up. So let's close settings and select this character left, move to left a little bit. And character right, move to right like this. So in this time let's select these camera movements and press P. Let's create new path in keyframe. Go to 2 seconds and let's zoom like this and move to for C character to center. And let's zoom a little bit like this. Okay, and let's select keyframes and make it easy or click F9. And let's go to graph editor, select this graph and make it graph smooth. And preview animation. Okay. And for dynamic animation, I'm gonna add wiggle effect. Let's create another null object layer. Right click, new and null object. And change name, camera shake. And select this camera shake. Let's go to first second and press P and let's add expression. Hold Alt, click time icon for open expression and right here wiggle to 30 and let's click this empty title for down expression. Let's select this camera shake and go to solo and preview and let's hold control, double click pen behind icon for move to anchor point center, clickation tool again, preview animation. Okay, so in this time, let's unsolo, select this camera orbit null, link to camera shake null object, and preview animation. Okay, this is much more speedily. Let's edit this expression and write this 1.2. Okay, we can edit this expression right here, 22. Okay, that's good. In this time, let's go to project and open videos folder, and we have 4 videos. Let's select this animation 1 and drag and drop into the composition here and move to like this. Let's see. Okay, and let's select this animation video. Let's enable for turn on 3D layer and select this character right. Press P. Let's copy all position coordinates and select this animation 1. Press P and select position. Ctrl V for paste all positions. Let's see. Okay, press S, change scale, and move up. Let's move to left. Okay, we can move to left a little bit. Nice, very good. And in this time, let's select this camera. Let's open inside camera options and default field, let's click for turn on and back to quality quarter, change aperture 25 or 100 and blur level let's change 200 and we can control focus distance here. Let's see. Okay, this is good. Let's see with full. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's create focus distance keyframe and go to back and let's change quality quarter and change distance like this. And let's back to again full quality for see results. Okay. So preview animation. Okay, let's go to select animation 1 and press T. Go to here, change opacity 0, create opacity keyframe and go to 5 keyframes, change 100 like this. And make the keyframes easy. And let's move to left. Okay, that's good. Let's select this null object, press U and go to 4 seconds and move to left and zoom to a little bit like this. Okay, and in this time let's select this camera 1, press U and change distance. Let's zoom in here, change quality full and let's play focus distance value. Okay, that's good. And right now let's close camera 1 focus distance keyframes, select camera null options and select keyframes, go to graph editor, select this middle keyframe, let's move to right and go to again select middle keyframe, right click, go to keyframe velocity and right here speed 100 and click continue checkbox, click OK and preview animation. Nice. Okay, so select this middle keyframe and let's zoom in here and let's create this smooth line. Go to pen tool, hold this icon and choose convert vertex tool and let's create smooth graph like this and preview animation. Nice. And let's click selection tool and choose middle keyframe and move to up a little bit like this. Nice, very good. So in this time, let's back to keyframes and let's go to here, select this animation 2. Let's drag and drop into the composition. Let's go to first second and press T, change opacity 0, create opacity keyframe and go to here, change 100 and make it keyframes easy. Let's see. Okay, in this time select this animation 2 and click toggle switch mode. Click this icon for turn on 3D layer and select left layer, press P. Let's copy all positions and select animation 2, press P and paste all positions here. And let's see timing. Let's move to right this animation. Okay, and let's move to center. Okay, that's good. And select animation 2, press U and select keyframe, move to left and preview animation. Nice. In this time, go to here and create opacity keyframe, go to 5 keyframes, change opacity 0 and close settings. Select camera orbit null and let's move to like this and zoom to these two characters. Okay, so in this time select camera 1, press U and change focus distance like this and change quality full. Let's see details. Nice. And for more blurry for this character girl, let's open inside and go to back. Let's create blur level. Go to here, change level 500. Nice. And back to quarter. Okay, so in this time, let's select this animation 2, press U, and let's delete this keyframe and move to left this last keyframe. Okay, not bad. Let's say again. And in this time, go to animation 3 and drag and drop into composition here. And move to right. Okay, that's good. And let's select this animation 3, click this for turn on 3D layer and select character back right, press P, copy positions and select animation 3, press P and paste all positions. And let's move up here, press S, change scale. Let's see. Nice. And select this camera orbit null and let's zoom to this character girl. Move to like this. Let's move to a little bit. Okay, let's see. Nice. And in this time select this animation 3 and press T, opacity. Let's create opacity keyframe. And here let's change 0 and make it keyframes easy and move to right. Move to right more. Okay, and select this camera 1, press U and go to here, change focus distance like this. And full quality. Okay, that's good. And select animation 4. Let's drag and drop into composition here and go back. And let's go to here, press T, change opacity 0, create opacity keyframe and go to 5 keyframe, change 100. Let's move to right and select girl. Let's press P, copy all positions again, select animation 4, click for turn on 3D layer and press P and paste here positions and press S, change scale. Let's change quality quarter and let's change scale. Okay. And move to left is animation 4. Okay, and let's animation 4, press P and move to back, change scale. Okay, and black glass, again let's press P and move to back, and let's unsolo. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's close all settings and select camera orbit null. Let's see graph lines. Let's go to again this icon, convert vertex tool, and make smooth vertex. Let's see. Okay, also here, let's make this smooth graph. Okay, that's good. And select this background glass and go to first second, press S, change scale, and that's all.